In this video, we'll discuss the only thing you really need to do as an actor to survive tax season. Hey, I'm Spurgeon Perkins, and I am an actor just like you. Before I signed with my talent agency, I did background work on a handful of major TV shows just to see what it was like to be on set. Without fail, somebody would come around and plop down a big fat tax form. And every time they did it, I would sneak out my phone and start taking photos of it and send the pictures to my husband to say, hey, are we logging the same thing? I just kept looking at it like, no one taught me how to do this in high school or college. Are you gonna show me how to do it? I'm guessing, like me, no one ever really walked you through a tax form, so it can feel a little bit scary. The only thing you must do to survive tax season is to report your income. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. P.S. I am not a tax pro. I am not giving you tax advice. Number 1, I kept all of my pay stubs. So when I deposit the check, if I do a mobile deposit, then I just write on the front of that check the date completed, the confirmation number, and deposit completed, and then file that paycheck. Now, if you go and deposit it at the bank, they're going to give you a deposit slip, but you also want to keep a copy of your actual check. If anyone, such as your talent agent, is required to send you tax forms, then you should receive those by January 31st, but you need to have both. Number 2, I reported all of my income. So you can either do this on a DIY tax site or you can go to a tax pro. If you do it on a DIY tax site, it's gonna walk you through, give you a step-by-step guide. If you go to a tax pro, you just hand all of your documents over to them and they handle it for you. Number 3, I checked my balance. So when you're logging all of your tax information, at the end, it's gonna spit out a number. That dollar amount is going to either show you how much you owe the government or how much the government owes you. Here's a little 411 on your tax return. If the government owes you money, they are not handing out free money. It's not like you're getting additional income or some type of bonus. What the government is saying is, hey, we took too much money out of your paychecks, so we owe you back your money. So let's use totally made up imaginary numbers as an example. If you made $500 on a booked gig and the government took $200 and said, oh, actually we should have only taken $100, then come tax season, they're going to say, we owe you this $100 back, but it's from that original $500 paycheck. It's not additional income. It doesn't even count as income and therefore is not taxable. So to prove it, the IRS is not going to charge you taxes on whatever money they give back to you because it's money you've already made. It's not them giving you extra money. It's money from your paychecks that they took too much of. It's not like you get some bonus check on your tax return. So in summary, in simplified terms, the only thing you really have to do in order to survive tax season is report all of your income. The tax site or the tax pro is gonna tell you all the rest. And then if you owe the government money, you're gonna pay it. If they owe you money, you're gonna get it. What confuses most people is whether or not they can get deductions or write-offs. And that's great if you can get them, but they're not required. Now I'd love to hear from you, Actor Boss. Do you feel confident about tax season or do you still feel a little nervous about it? Ooh,